Hi, if you have a business related to hospitality and you're looking to track expenses in a template, then this video is for you. First of all, let me turn off my webcam so that the screen is visible. And this is a particular template that we're talking about, which is the hospitality service expenses tracker. In this template, we have got a category section on the top, which lists out three different categories. Underneath every category, you have got a budgeted expense amount, which has been defined. And then you have also actual expenses, which is being pulled from the table at the bottom. And we also have a summary section which we'll discuss in a while. So for every category, you can simply click on this budgeted expense value and you can define the budgeted expense amount. As you do that, the percentage indicator at the bottom also gets updated, which is a reflection of how much of expenses has been incurred compared to the budgeted expense. And similarly, at the bottom of the table, once you modify any of these values, you can see that the values also get updated at the top and it gets synced both ways. Okay. Jumping onto the summary section, you can see that we have got a budgeted expense amount, which has been defined, the actual expenses, which is being pulled from the table at the bottom, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses incurred, which represents the entire business in a nutshell. Okay. So in the category section, if you're looking to edit this category, simply click on this pencil icon and you can change the name of the category and it will be renamed as per your choice. So I'm going to quickly type out a new name and you can see that it has been synced both ways. If you're looking to delete a particular category, simply click on this three dot and click on the delete button, it will be deleted. If you want to add a new category, click on this new page and new category will be added for use case. So this is in a nutshell how you can utilize this template to keep track of hospitality service expenses. If you're looking to further customize this template or do any sort of new customization for your use case, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you further with this. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.